Hi, I'm Dorianne from Arawa Company, and I'm going to present you a use case from our client SDIS57. So we change all the collaborative platform only with open source softwares. So first of all, let me say just a little word about Arawa. So we are a company working only with open source softwares and collaborative software. So our aim is to promote free software and the libre. And we would like to integrate with existing systems and, of course, to provide control on the data and data sovereignty for our customers. We work with some softwares like Nextcloud mainly, but also Tresim. And this is for the sharing and storing documents. We work with Collabora Online and OnlyOffice for the editing. And sometimes we can add some video conference softwares, instant messaging, and project management. We also have 3 products, but for Nextcloud and Big Blue Button, it's like some applications. And now let's talk about SDIS57. So it's fire and rescue service for the Department of Moselle, so 57 in English. So it's the department number. So it simply ensures civil protection. And they have 900 professional firemen and around 4,000 volunteers. So it's divided between 5 companies and 22 districts. The project is to give them a collaborative platform to store and to share files. And the problem is that they had file servers, old file servers, and it became too hard to maintain, and they were not centralized. So, for example, if they wanted to share some documents between 2 districts, they just duplicate the documents. And they worked only with desktop softwares. So that's why Collabora is the solution here for online editing. Also, they wanted to simplify the access in nomad mode, like smartphones, tablets, and all the different operating systems. They also wanted to have an edition with only open formats. So the challenge here was about how to share the documents and how to edit the documents between all the districts. And they want to share them with a hierarchical structure and also an intersecting structure, so between the districts. So we had some applications for this, like Workspace, and we did it with Nextcloud. And the idea is to have independent, the idea is that each district is independent for the file sharing, the file management. We also added some video conference, and all of this with a seamless integration with an existing SSO. So what did we choose? So Nextcloud with Workspace and Monitor, our products, Collabora Online, and Big Blue Button. What about the implementation? So it began in 2020 with some proof of concept with 50 users, and then it was a success. So in 2021, it was the full-scale deployment. So over 5,000 of people and across 22 districts. So what about the architecture? We have 3 Nextcloud nodes and all the needed components with it. 3 Collabora Online nodes, 1 Big Blue Button server, and a load balancer to split the flows. We also provide support for the SDIS. So functional support with some trainings for the, let's say, functional administrators. So the person who configure functionally the platform for share files, etc. We provide some documentations and guides for the end users, but also for the functional administrators. And then on the technical side, it's pretty the same. So training for technical staff and exploitations and administrative documentations. So what about the result? So the users are extremely happy. And for the moment, they don't need other evolutions, but maybe it will come in the future with other applications, etc. We have 2,500 active users, so it's great for us. And it replaced all the 40 file servers. For the moment, they still sometimes need some help with the tools, but thanks to the documentations, so it works for the moment, and they enroll more and more users, and it really increased the communication between all the services, all the districts, and always with a free and open source software scope. So just last word, we obtained a collaborative and open source platform. It covers all the critical collaborative needs, and we offer also data security and control. So thank you for your attention.